Hello and welcome back to the Meet Maxi channel. So today we are going to be driving the MJX Hypergo H12H. So it should be a good car to cruise us, off-roading a bit, and in some dirt and some nice speed. So hopefully we can get some good shots of it, and let's go and do it. Come on. Now, joining the Hypergo H12 is the Hypergo Drifter car. So let's see how this one does.